20th Century Fox Bloopers 86. What's going on? What the? Our studio literally just shut down. What did you do? Nothing. You sound nervous. I can tell you're lying because of your nervousness. No, I didn't. No, you did not. Even if you sound like that, I can tell you're lying. Damn it! Why did you do that? I just had to. Just wanted to make it more look, entertaining. You know what's entertaining? You need to stop doing bad things to logos. Okay. Let's just get started, please. What did you do? I pranked you. Ha ha ha. Not even April Fools, you know. Next egg, please. Action! Why the 20th Century Fox? Why is the 20th Century Fox logo so blue and backwards? Because I love it so much. I love it so much. Better than the regular 20th Century Fox. No, it is not supposed to be that. Now, please change it before I have to pinch you in your knuckles. Do you even know what you're saying? Oh, I guess somebody Why does it say 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment? Why is the effect so loud? Well, the sound so loud and in lost effect. Because I just really wanted to react to your screamings, and it was hilarious. No, you're not going to do that. You can't laugh. Can't laugh? What? Laughing? You think laughing matters? Laughing does not matter. Well, never mind. Yeah, never mind is right. Ew! This is so old, it's like a variant of Garfield. Well, that one came from 2006, 2004, I don't know. 2006. Plus, it is supposed to be regular effect, not some dumb old 1947 effect. Haha. You think 20th Century Fox wasn't even made in 1947. It was made in 1930 freaking 35, I mean. Okay, as I count off, this is your last chance, okay? If you don't get it, you butt sucker, you're giving me so short chances. Because this is my studio and I have the right to do that. If you don't get this right, I'm gonna scratch your skin off. How cruel! Thank you so much. You're welcome, jerk. Don't you dare call me jerk. Big fat klutz. Okay, please get out. Fine. Okay, now that he's gone, I can end the video. Please enjoy.